So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally, the Arcade Swag drop is here for the Champion and Legend tier. So you must have seen the community post also. I posted it and a shot has been already posted. So you can see this is the pen. So basically we are getting two sets of pen in the Arcade Champion and Legend tier. One is metallic pen and another one is light up logo pen. So what does it mean? So here it's present a description that light up means it will just glow the logo maybe of GCP or anything, or the metal pen is durable just like you have any normal pen. So you can check it out. These are the swag drops. And another one is the Lego tire which is placed in the champion tire. If you want to see the unboxing video, I will share the link in the description. You can check it out. Now another thing is that what kind of swag drops you want and how did you like this swag drop or not. You can comment down in the video and I will pass the feedback to the arcade team and let's see what happens. So for the next cohort, that is cohort 2 is starting, there will be hoodies and more things. So if you haven't participated, you can check out the channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.